I'm doing a comparison to see why my trophies here are falling off the shelves. So, hold on a second. My trophies are falling off the shelves because my bass drum, I took all the stuff of it. So, yeah. I have all these trophies from racing, and they kept falling down on the floor here, and one of them smashed on the floor. A couple of my other trophies. Yeah, so these kept like falling off and stuff like that because all the stuff in my bass drum was all taken out. So I'm gonna do a little comparison to see why. So I took a little video on my trophies in my other room about why they were going up the shelf. It was because of vibration. Because when I took the things out of the bass drum, it causes a big sound wave to come out the bass drum. So that's why. And I took a little video of it to make sure that doesn't happen. So here's a video.
Sound test. Sound test. Sound test.